Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I wanted to paint my room and I'm gonna start tonight. It's like 5 in the afternoon right now, but before I do it I'm gonna go eat and then we're gonna get started. Hi guys, so I just finished outlining the room. I am an absolute mess. Some of it got on my sweater, so a few of my sisters are coming to help me. Yeah, so I outlined the place because I wanted to make it easier, and now we're gonna start painting it white. It's currently 11-ish in the night. We're gonna do our second coat of paint before we go to sleep. So unfortunately we can't get this done tonight. I finished the paint. I think we went too heavy on the first coat and we're going to continue our project tomorrow. Good morning everybody. Oh well, good afternoon. I kind of woke up late. We stopped painting at 2 in the morning and we're gonna go to Home Depot right now. Well, actually Home Depot and get some boba for motivation. I'm done. Come on in. Alright guys, that's the end of my video on how I painted my room. It took a total of 3 days, 2 gallons of paint, some help, which I'm really grateful for, and just a lot of patience. And I'm really happy with the color of the room. It definitely brings out the colors that I have in the room, like my snake plant over here. I can see the pop of green, and honestly, I just feel like that dull blue was kind of bringing me down. I'm stuck in this room every single day because of quarantine, so it's really nice to have a change of scenery. Well, not scenery, but a change of color. I ruined my clothes, I ruined my nails, and I ruined a bunch of other stuff, but I'm really satisfied with the results of the room. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.